Somewhere on your drive right now is a file you need, a passcode, a report, a set of notes, and you know roughly what it's called, but not exactly where. For most people, that's a 10-second search. For someone who can't see the screen or whose hands don't move the way they used to, it can be the difference between finding it and giving up entirely. EchoLocate closes that gap. Say what you're looking for in your own words, and it finds it, reads it, or acts on it entirely offline. A single model call can't be trusted to safely delete a file or reliably search an entire drive. So EchoLocate is built as a graph of specialist agents on Google's Agent Development Kit, ADK 2.0, where one small model listens and decides what you mean, and separate, narrowly scoped agents handle search, documents, and system actions. The document agent can summarize a file, but it literally doesn't have a delete or move tool available to call, even if it wanted to. Everything runs on the machine itself. Whisper for speech, Gemma4 through Ollama for reasoning, Kokoro for voice. No cloud, no API keys, nothing ever leaves the device. A deterministic router, not the model itself, decides where a command goes, and every file operation is routed through a custom MCP server, checked against a sandbox boundary before it's ever allowed to run. Anything destructive stops and asks first, out loud, and only proceeds on an explicit yes.
EchoLocate is ready. Say, "Hey Friday" to start a conversation. After that, just keep talking. Say something like, "Friday, take a rest when you're done."
Hey Friday.
Say the wake word once.
"Yes, boss."
Find my hello file. It's a text file.
"Got it, working on it. I found a few matching files. Hello, txt in the root folder, or hello, txt in EchoLocate/sandbox root. Which one?"
And just talk. Two files share this name, so it asks, with enough context to actually tell them apart.
The one in the root folder, and summarize it.
"Got it, working on it."
Ask it to summarize, and it doesn't read back the whole page. A document agent pulls out what actually matters in a few plain sentences. Ask something specific instead, like where the passcode is, and it'll answer straight from the page, still remembering the whole time that it means the file you just found.
This document introduces EchoLocate, which is described as a voice-controlled offline file manager. It notes that this specific text serves as a test document for the program. The most notable piece of information provided is the secret passcode, which is 9876.
Friday. Take a rest.
And when you're done, it goes back to sleep on command. This was built end-to-end in anti-gravity, Google's agentic IDE. The graph workflow itself runs on ADK 2.0. Every file system action goes through a custom MCP server, and each specialist's instructions are written as agent skills, the same open format Google's own Gemma tooling uses. Built and rebuilt against real voice transcripts the whole way. Every fix in this system came from something that actually broke, not something that looked good on paper. And it installs with one command. No manual setup, no hunting for dependencies. So it runs the same way on a machine that's never seen it before. Underneath, search runs on a SQLite and FTS5 trigram index, built entirely from scratch, kept live with a real-time file system watcher, and an NTFS change journal catch-up. So even an entire drive stays searchable in milliseconds, cold start or not. On Windows, it can hand off to the OS's own search index directly, using what's already there instead of reinventing it. And model selection is deliberately tuned to avoid overloading a single consumer GPU, built for reliability under real hardware constraints, not just a best-case benchmark number. EchoLocate, agents for good. Built to make the files you already have as easy to reach by voice as they should have been all along. Thanks for watching.